day, I can't even count anymore. I can't really keep track of how much I've filmed or what I've done, but today's just the relaxed day. Jake has a couple things to do to his BRZ. Pat, I think, is gonna mess with his car, even though he probably shouldn't. My car is nicely still in the trailer. I took the dirt bike out today. I might mess around on that, but these guys are putting side skirts in and then maybe a front lip, not sure, but they're having a time with that so far. They just started. Kenny's relaxing like usual, and then Braden's car is basically done. I don't think there's much left to do on it, so that's what it's looking like today. Jake's leaving his lip out in the sun because it does not fit well at all. So we're thinking if it heats up, might be able to flex it a little bit more. But other than that, it's been pretty good. It is so hot here, like way too hot compared to Toronto. It was getting cold. Like fall was full effect. It was cold, sweater, jeans, you're comfortable, and even at times you were cold. Here, it's like, feels like 40 out. And we're not used to that. I wanted it to be like comfortable weather. I never wear shorts. I'm in shorts. And it's disgusting out. So we'll see how badly today goes with sweating and being disgusting, but should be a good day. We don't have any schedules, so we'll probably mess around, do some fun things, and then I don't know how many times I'll pick up the camera, but I'll get it next. So I'm like having a 2x4. Yeah, other than the dirt that you're never gonna get out of there. Who cares?
Nope. I don't know what that was.
A little bumper clip?
Yep. What was left
Who
of
care?
it? You ground through what, 3/4 of the...
What are we fixing?
I buckled a bit of my quarter panel because
Jake also drove from Toronto, not Toronto. Where did you drive from? Ajax? Bowmanville.
45 minutes east of Toronto.
And did the exact same 5 hour, probably more than 5 hours then. 7 hours. Done.
Torque to spec.
Much better.
Like a glove.
Much better.
That looks so much better.
Yeah, and it looks like clean, like mocked up nice. That side's done. Front lit.
Alright, back.
What are you trying to do?
Take these cars to the Subaru dealership for an oil change.
Nice. I give like 5 seconds, they're probably gonna throw a fit.
They said they can do it.
Kenny, what happened?
I don't know. I pressed the wrong button.
You got lost in the cabbage.
He's in the cabbage.
You got lost in the cabbage hard.
My mom's gonna kill you, Kenny.
I called that like 20 seconds ago. I called that exact. Kenny was trying to drive it. Kenny doesn't know how to drive stick. And I said, what are the odds that he just launches into the shrub right there? And in five seconds, Kenny launches it, slams on the brakes in the shrub. Time to go to Subaru. We're gonna attempt to... Are you gonna try to get an oil change? Jake's gonna try to get an oil change. Braden I don't know. Also trying to get an oil change. So we already called. They said they can do it, but that might change once they actually see the cars. So I'm riding with Jake in the super stancy car. This is like the third time I've ever been even in a stance car, honestly. Like, my car is not stancy compared to these guys.
Hello.
Dying?
Yeah, I gotta quit the fucking jewel.
Yeah.
I could probably make that, but
No, thank you. Is that your lips hitting your fenders? That's so nice. I don't think I could ever drive and like listen to those sounds. Like, it makes me cringe. It makes me cringe.
only the rears do that.
Yeah, you're gonna be doing.
Montreal last year. That was 5.
Is that old the train track?
Oh Jesus fucking Christ! I think we left the ground on that one.
I took the camera out right on time for that. God.
You get used to that stuff.
Yeah, I don't think I would ever get used to that. Ever. Like, I don't mind scraping my car. Like, in and out of the parking garage where I leave my car, it scrapes every time I come in and out. But it's not like a bad scrape.
I
But
pushed my car in my own driveway.
yeah, okay, your driveway, his driveway is nuts. It's
Well,
like
and
your
then-
driveway was not
It's not even fully
finished, yeah, for so long. So you had to basically ramp your car. He had to ramp his car into his driveway because it was like a construction zone. Yeah, I would have just KO'd my car. I would have been like, that's it, done. I'm gonna just leave it.
Even now that the driveway's paved, the sidewalk is a good like inch taller than the driveway. So I still just like will beach it if I don't go fast enough. Like when I took it out last time, I had to get my roommate to tow my car off the sidewalk with his truck.
Yeah,
That was fun.
no, thank you.
Oh, here we are.
Okay, well, made it. That guy in the minivan was just filming us drive by.
Oh fuck! Am I gonna make that?
Go right there. See where it's broken? Oh, that was like perfect.
That was easy.
That was perfect. Wow, that already is so fucking funny. Everyone's already freaking out. I got out, 6'4" me, and they're all like, I wasn't expecting you to be that tall. I'm like, yeah, it's a pretty small car, but Jake thought Brayden was gonna get an alignment too, or not an alignment, an oil change, and he wasn't. Jake could have just done it himself. Now he's in the service, and they're all just questioning what the hell he's done to his car. They didn't have much of a problem with it, but surprisingly enough, they were decently okay with him doing it here, but they still kind of didn't like it. But for now, it was kind of funny, so I guess you can kind of call that a win. How much was it?
$30.50 American.
$30.50 American for a nice oil change, and probably didn't even fill it up all the way.
No, I put one of those jugs in it last time and it was fine.
Well, then there we go. Well, Brayden's truck is also empty on gas.
Gas?
Yeah, empty. So, Subaru oil change, check. Front lip, we have to do that. Front lip at home.
Hopefully we can make it fit.
Well, it might not be the best fitment, but it'll fit.
Yeah.
So we'll do that, and then eat something. Five seconds down, now we're getting gas. This guy loved it. He just had his iPad out taking photos. Who takes photos on an iPad?
I don't know.
That guy. Made it back. Now we're gonna try to put this front lip on Jake's bumper that does not fit nicely. It's not that terrible, but
It's pretty terrible.
okay, that was terrible. We talked way too much shit for a splitter that actually fit almost perfect once we
It's pretty much perfect.
actually fastened it down. That looks more than fine. So from here we're doing, tomorrow we wait till 2:45 maybe, to go get Mako from Japan. Braden's just pulling in. How does that feel?
So much better.
Oh, really?
So much
Okay, alignment check. Quick update. Jake wants me to drive his car around. That'll be the first super stancy car that I've ever driven. My car's only -4 in the front, so that's like nothing compared to Jake.
Oh. Bumper already popped out. Go forward. Go forward. Just said go forward, dumbass. Go backwards. Good.
All right, that works.
I thought it was clipped in. I thought it was clipped in, stupid.
I'm gonna try to attempt this. This is nuts. Dude, my car feels nothing like this at all. Absolutely nothing. I'm gonna put this in first, see if this guy gets out of my way. Oh, he does, nice, thank you for that. I'm half concentrating, half trying not to break Jake's car right now. I just went on a super smooth part of the road, so this should be fine. Sweet.
What do you think?
It's honestly not, like, it doesn't feel any different from my car other than the fact that it's just like the spring rates are ridiculous.
Yeah,
like it doesn't drive
bouncy.
like it's got like
Yeah,
like you doesn't know. You would not think that if you like looked out the the window that they were that
Until it
cambered.
hit rain.
Yeah, like you can tell, you feel the car tracking a little bit, but like other than that, it's no different. I'm like getting used to the fact that the thing scrapes off like nothing and it sounds like death, but
And it's not even that low yet.
no. But it's like fenders.
Yeah, this is my road trip height, man.
Yeah. We're doing a shoot for Jake, or at least try to, after I just drove it. So, we're trying to. My skills are very limited, but this guy looks pretty sweet, so we're gonna try. Let's see what we can do for Jakey boy here.
Is that good?
That's good enough.
Throws on -12, wonders why it makes noise.
-20. Yeah, 20.
-20, my bad. In front.
12's baby shit.
Braden decided to take his car out. It honestly still looks really good, but my photography skills kind of cap once it starts getting dark out, so I don't know if I can get any of his. I tried already, but I doubt they're not gonna be the best, but I tried. So for today, that's it. Successful day. I'm gonna move out of the way of this car, but I think that's about it for me for today. Yeah, it's too dark, especially black cars. I can't really shoot Braden's car this dark. My skills run out. I don't have any Photoshop, or I have Lightroom experience, but not a lot. So I do what I can for my friends and for my car when I need photos, but most of the time it's too difficult. So I'm gonna end today's video off now. So I'll see you guys tomorrow, and another day closer to Gatlinburg takeover. So see you guys.